Okay, listen up, peoples. When you got a big gap at the end of your door like this, and you got the little gap on the hinge side, the first thing you want to do is, before you call the contractor or the locksmith, is tighten the hinges. Now that one's missing because I'm going to show you why. That one's tight. That one just spins. That one's tight. That one just spins. 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 What you do is you get these standard barbecue skewers and you hammer them in the holes. You break them off flush and then run the screw in. Now the problem is a lot of contractors only put these little tiny short screws in. Working in the mansion, you'd think stuff would work, but this does not work. It's a deadbolt. It's supposed to just open that bolt. So now I'm going to have to take these two screws out. Some focus on there. See that tailpiece? It broke right off in the thumb turn. Just garbage. Oh my gosh. You gotta get pliers to get that out. It's been twisted. Right. So I had to get vice grips. I couldn't get it with my pliers. Just when I thought I'd seen it all. An Allen wrench jammed in the French door. Look at that. What are they doing with that? I don't know. Let's take that out. Well, the French door works. What's the problem? Oh, the bottom one's not hooked up either. Yeah, now it's shut. That's weird. Somebody thought that was holding the door shut. That's just silly. They tore up the wood. Can't jiggle it, but it works. Grind some off the bottom of that thing. Yeah, I think I'll grind it a little bit. Hey, remember how I said tighten the hinges? I tighten the hinges, now look. Works perfect. Still has a little hit, but let's see. Nope, not much. I think it's okay. I'm going to grind it off a little bit, but that's it. Perfect fit now. Alright, now, since I've ground it, I made a shiny spot. Right there, so all you need is black Sharpie. Colored in. Anyway, the homeowner doesn't notice it as much. Here's another tip for you. When you can't get your sliding door to lock, see all that dirt? Get a can of air duster. Blow out the hole. That one. So this patio door has a problem. It slams into this. There's hardly any gap there, so these are easy to adjust. You just pop out that little plug right there. Got one over here too. Then you use a screwdriver and you tighten it, and it'll make the door go up. And tighten a little bit, and now you can see there's a gap between there and there. And it locks. That one takes a little manipulation. Not too bad.